Today we will be discussing what is electric lines of force and its properties. First of all, we should know what is the other name of electric lines of force. Electric lines of force other name is field lines, electric field lines. These are imaginary straight or curved lines which are traced by the movement of unit positive test charge when it is free to do so within the electric field or electric field due to point charge or system of charges. These are imaginary straight or curved lines which are traced by the movement of unit positive charge when it is free to do so in a uniform electric field or electric field due to a point charge or system of charges. First, these are imaginary lines because these are physically we cannot see. It can be experienced, it can be felt, it can be realized, but it cannot be shown to the others. So first of all, we have to discuss electric field. Due to field lines, electric field lines due to point charge. Positive charge. This is plus Q. The field lines will be the positive unit positive charge will be moved in this way when it is free to do so. These are the electric field lines and these are the imaginary straight lines. Number 1 A. Number B, it is for negative charge minus Q charge. Only difference is the field lines will be straight but it will be directed towards the negative charge. This is electric field lines, how to draw due to point charge if it is positive and negative. Number 2, electric field line due to uniform electric field. Uniform electric field. This is positive charge plate and this one is negative charge plate. The direction of electric field lines, the positive charge will be moving from positive plate to the negative plate. So these are the parallel lines are called the electric field lines due to uniform electric field. Uniform electric field is produced in between the two equal or opposite charge parallel plates. Then number 3, how to draw electric field lines due to two charges. Two charges. Number 1, positive plus Q and plus Q. These are the two positive charges. Or plus Q and minus Q, let us consider. The field lines are traced by the unit positive charge. So unit positive charge will move away from this and it will go towards the minus Q. So the field lines will be like this. How it will be drawn? Just see. This is positive away, this is negative towards. And the direction of electric field always away from the positive charge and towards the negative charge. This is due to plus minus charge, plus and minus Q charge. If it is plus and plus, how it will be? The next part is how to draw electric field lines due to plus and plus charge, plus Q and plus Q charge. Here what will happen? The positive charge, the electric field lines will be directed away from this, and here also it will move directed away from this one. So they will move like this. field lines will be like this, but this is the line, this is the midpoint where the field is 0. On this line there will be no field lines because there is no field. So that's why all the lines, field lines, will be having a lateral or sidewise pressure. They will move away from both the charges, positive away, and in this line there will be no electric field lines, and here the field lines will be positive. This is like this. Here the field lines will be like this. This is plus Q and plus Q. And due to minus Q and minus Q, how the figure will be? Suppose this is minus Q and this one is minus Q, then only difference, the field line will be same, but the direction of field lines will be just opposite. How it will be? Negative towards, negative towards, and here the field lines will be towards. This is about how to draw the electric field lines due to point charge, then due to electric field, uniform electric field, and due to two equal and opposite charges, or due to similar charges. Another is how to draw the electric field line due to minus Q charge. Suppose it is minus Q charge, the direction will be towards. Then we will discuss the properties of the electric field lines. Number 1, properties. These are very important. Number 1, these are imaginary lines. Imaginary straight or curved lines. This is first property. Now second property, unit positive charge will move away from the positive charge and move towards the negative charge. The path of unit positive charge gives us field lines. Number 3, tangent drawn to the field lines. Tangent drawn. Suppose this is plus Q charge and this one is minus Q charge and field line is like this. Tangent drawn to the field line at any point gives the direction. Suppose this is the point, the tangent will be giving the direction of electric field as well as it gives us magnitude of the electric field. So tangent drawn to field lines gives magnitude and direction of electric field. Number 4, it is always directed away from positive charge and towards negative charge. This is fourth property. Fifth property, no two field lines, no two electric lines of force intersect each other. What does it mean? Two electric field lines will never meet each other at any point. Suppose two field lines intersect each other at point P. How to prove that two lines of force never intersect? If they will intersect at point P, at one point P, there will be two tangent at that point which will give rise to two directions of single electric field, which is never possible. Why? Because at one point electric field is only directed in one direction, so it cannot have two directions, hence it is impossible. Again I am saying, if two lines of force intersect each other at one point, say at point P, there will be two tangents which will give rise to two directions of a single electric field, which is impossible. Hence, two electric lines of force never intersect each other. Then, next property, seventh property, that is electric field lines are crowded where the field is stronger. Electric field lines are crowded where electric field is stronger, and electric field lines are apart from each other, or are more distance apart from each other where electric field is weaker. Example, suppose this is a point charge, the field lines are like this. Let's see here, the direction is like this. If you consider this area and this area, the bigger area is this one. Here the field lines are less crowded over a greater area. How many number of field lines are here? That much number of field lines also linked here, but here the field lines are further because the field is weaker here, and here the field lines are closer, hence the field is stronger. This is the explanation of the seventh property. Then eighth property, field lines always perpendicular to the surface. Field lines are perpendicular to surface of charge bodies. Let us consider this is a plate, this one is positive charged. The field line should be like this. Okay. These are perpendicular to the surface of the charge conductor. This is very important point. It has to be remembered. Here the field is uniform electric field, means parallel. The fields are parallel to each other, field lines, and they are perpendicular to the charge body. Then eighth property, that is another example we can go for field line. Suppose this is a surface of a charge body like this. All are positive charged, irregular body. Suppose the charge is spread here. The field lines will be perpendicular. Always perpendicular to different directions, like that. Perpendicular to the surface at that point. The next is ninth property. That is electric field lines, the line charges repel each other. Why it is so? Repel each other because electric field lines exert lateral pressure. Already discussed, due to similar charges the field lines were separated, there was a middle line where there was no field, the field lines are exerting a lateral pressure. Lateral means sidewise pressure. So if question is asked why line charges repel each other, you can give the explanation that electric field lines are exerting lateral pressure, that's why line charges repel each other. Suppose it is asked why the field lines exerts lateral pressure, in that case you can say because of line charges repel each other. The next point is unlike charges attract each other. What is its explanation? Because as field lines gets compressed, exert compressed. As already discussed, this is plus and this is minus charge. The field lines were like this. They are compressed. It becomes in a bow form. So this is compression is taking place because lines online charges attract each other. Reverse thing also true. Why the field lines are compressed? Because of online charges attract each other. Next one is electric field line never pass through the conductor. Electric field lines never pass through a conductor. Number 12, electric field lines can pass through dielectric by insulator, pass through insulator. Number 13, number of field lines linked per unit area is directly proportional to electric field at that point. So if electric field is stronger, then more number of lines of force will be linked over a particular area. So this is called the field line density. Electric field lines, number of electric field lines linked per unit area is directly proportional to electric field. So this is the explanation already I discussed. Here the area is less. How many number of lines of force? Here area is more, same number of lines of force. So here the area is less, hence field is stronger. As field is stronger, number of field lines per unit area is more, and as field is weaker here, the number of field lines per unit area will be less. And then last but not least, that is how to draw the electric field lines in a solid hollow conductor. Like this, suppose this is a conductor and here a plate is there, here a plate is there. This is positive charge plate. This is here by induction which charge will be developed, negative, and this one is negative, and here induction it will be positive charge. How the electric field lines? Here it will be like this. Positive away, negative towards. And here the field lines will be like this. Field lines will be like this. Here field lines will be perpendicular. Just see here. Like this electric field lines will be there, and tangent drawn to the field lines we can find out electric field at any point. This is all about what is electric lines of force and their properties. Thank you.